Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Data Analytics with Divya. This is a requested video. One of my subscriber commented on previous video and I got few mails from few subscribers. They're asking me to upload videos on latest job openings for freshers. So I'm here today with the details of 3 latest job openings for freshers in data science field. Before getting into that, if you are new to my channel, I already created a playlist on SQL and uploaded some videos in it. And I will cover the remaining concepts going forward. I will provide the link in the description box and you can also find the same in the top right corner of your screen in iCards. Please check it out. Now, without any further delay, let's get started. So as I said, today I will tell you about 3 latest job openings for fresher, and first one is from IBM. So from IBM, we have an AI engineer intern position. I will paste this link in the description box. You can check the job description and required skill set. But in short, let me explain the required skill set to apply for this position. Coming to educational background, you should complete bachelor's, master's, or PhD degree in computer science, artificial intelligence, or a related field. As this is the intern position, if you are pursuing your final year of BTech or master's, you can even apply for this position. And about the skill set, you should have strong knowledge on SQL. You should have hands-on experience in working with Python. That is, you should have knowledge on working with Python libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib. And if you have knowledge on working with AI frameworks such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, and if you have knowledge on Azure cloud platform, that would be like a good to have skill. Though if you don't know about these technologies, but if you have good knowledge on SQL and Python, you can just try and apply for this position as this is for intern role. And you can find the same position in Naukri as well. Just open your Naukri profile and search in as AI engineer intern IBM. You can find this one. And the location for this position is for Bangalore. If you are okay with the Bangalore location, you can just apply for this position. And as I said, you can find the details in Naukri as well. If you are okay with Bangalore location and if you have the knowledge in these technologies, you can apply for this position. And next we have an opening from the company called AIBridge ML. This position is for Hyderabad location. And as you can see here, they rolled out a position for junior data analyst or junior scientist. And you can see the skill and experience is from 0 to 2 years of experience. So if you are a fresher, you can just apply for this position. And let's see the required skill set. You can see here, graduate with strong mathematical and statistical skills and understanding, prefer with some development and enhancement experience of machine learning and statistical models, some experience in working with Python or SQL, experience in working with libraries in Python, familiarity with NLP, that is natural language processing, be flexible and ready to learn. As this position is for freshers, if you have knowledge on these technologies, that is well and good. But if you don't have the knowledge on NLP or machine learning and statistics, but if you still have a knowledge on SQL and Python, you can apply for this position because they also mentioned that be flexible and ready to learn. So after joining also, they will train you on this remaining concepts. So if you are interested in this position, you can just drop your resume to this mail ID like careers at AIBridgeML.com. And you can also find the same position in Naukri as well. Just type in as associate data scientist AI Bridge ML. Okay, and here you can observe here the designation name is different. Here in their official website they mention it as junior data analyst or junior scientist, but in Naukri they mention it as associate data scientist. But if you see, the job description is same for both the roles. So to be on the safer side, I suggest you to apply from both the sides. I mean, I suggest you to drop your resume to this mail ID, and I also suggest you to apply from Naukri as well. As you can see, this is they just posted 2 days ago, so this is a very latest job opening. There is a chance for getting calls for you immediately, and you can see here the location is for Hyderabad. And the roles and responsibilities is same: a good database background, that is a SQL, and hands-on experience in Python or R, and good knowledge on machine learning, deep learning, statistical modeling, and nice to have MS Excel skills and reporting in the sense Tableau or Power BI. But as I said, they mentioned that should be flexible and ready to learn and self-starter. So if you have knowledge in some of these technologies also, you can apply for this position. And next job opening is from Expressbees. As we know, Expressbees is a logistics service provider. They will do courier deliveries kind of thing. So they have an opening of senior data analyst or data analyst for the location of Bangalore or Pune. I'll just paste the link in the description box. You can just check it out. They mentioned that experience is for 1 to 3 years of experience in data analytics or data science or a related field. Though they mentioned the experience of 1 to 3 years, in the description you can observe they just mentioned that you should have that hands-on experience with data manipulation tools like R or Python, regression models, SQL, and Excel. So they didn't mention that you should have experience in these technologies. If you have knowledge or if you have hands-on experience also, that is well and good. Okay. And coming to the duties and all, as we saw, hands-on experience in R or Python, SQL, regression models should be capable of handling huge amounts of data sets to solve business problems, applying advanced analytical methods as needed. You should have good communication and interpersonal skills. So, educational qualification, bachelor's degree in engineering, economics, statistics, mathematics, or a related quantitative field. So, I'll just paste this link in the description box. And as I said, the location is for Bangalore or Pune. You can just apply from this official website. Okay. And that's it for today's video. And as I said, I will paste all the links of these 3 job openings in the description box. According to your requirements and according to your location, you can just apply for the jobs. And stay tuned to my channel for more such interesting and latest job openings and more videos on data analytics. And please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.